Tundra. I was leaking a bunch of gear oil, so I knew the seal was bad, and I went to pull it apart. I also had an ABS light on, so I figured something was up with the wheel bearing. I had no idea that when I took this apart, blown apart, destroyed. So if you hear like a grinding noise coming out of the back of your Tundra, it very well could be the fact that your wheel bearing has blown apart. I'm glad the seal started leaking, because I decided to take this apart and this bearing was about ready to completely come apart on the road. So grateful that that didn't happen. Thanks for watching.